Hey friends, if you wish to install the Pale Moon browser in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So you'll have to open any browser and search for the word Pale Moon browser. The reason is that Pale Moon browser is not available on the Microsoft Store. So go to palemoon.org and click on download now. Okay. Now you'll get a lot of installers here. Mostly our installer is the 64-bit installer, so we'll check it for the Americas one unless you're specifically living in Europe, and click on this. It will need a while to open the installer, but when it does, then you can simply click on this exe file, and you can start installing it. Okay, so you can click on this exe file and it is extracting now, and then you can click on yes and next. I accept the licensing terms. Next, next, install. And this is how you can install the Pale Moon browser on your computer. And finally click on finish. Okay. And the Pale Moon browser is open. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.